Welcome to Pharmacology by Lecturio. I'm Dr. Praveen Shukla. We're going to be talking about antiviral agents. In order to understand how antiviral agents work, let's take a look at a mammalian cell. So this is represented by the big purple circle there. Now, viruses attach and enter into the mammalian cell to start their replication process. We actually have drugs that can block viral entrance and attachment. And these are active in HIV disease or HSV disease or even respiratory syncytial viral diseases. Once the virus penetrates into the cell, we can actually block that step of penetration with interferon alpha agents. Interferon alpha agents are currently active in hepatitis B and hepatitis C infections. As the virus has penetrated into the cell, it now starts to uncoat itself, and that's in preparation for exposing its RNA to the mammalian cell DNA. Now we can block the uncoating of viral cells by certain agents like amantadine, and these are commonly used in diseases like influenza. Now, there are three phases of protein synthesis. There's early protein synthesis, there's nucleic acid synthesis, and late protein synthesis. Nucleic acid synthesis is a huge category for us because it's blocked by multiple agents. There's reverse transcriptase and others that are active in things like cytomegalovirus, HIV, even in respiratory syncytial virus. Now, the late protein synthesis and processing is also blocked by different types of agents called protease inhibitors. The next step of viral assembly is the packaging and assembly once the virus has inculcated itself into the mammalian cell. That's how viruses are going to replicate. This can be blocked by CCRVs, and that's commonly used in HIV disease, and we're starting to do research in other viral diseases as well to affect this step. As the virus gets released from the cell, we can block these particular steps of viral release by the neuraminidase inhibitors, and that's most commonly used in influenza, but we're starting to do research in other areas as well. So there you have it. All of the viral agents are essentially placed on this slide, and you understand where they fit in. Let's go into more detail. I'm going to divide up your antiviral agents into the diseases that they are active against, but we'll also talk about where in the cycle they're active too.